everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Data Science and ML, and today we shall discuss how to install Anaconda Python and Jupyter Notebook. Open your favorite browser and search for anaconda.com/anaconda. Yes, click the first link and you will locate it to this page, installing on Windows. And there are several options for those who are using Linux and Mac OS. Go to the first link, download the Anaconda, and you again relocate it to this page, your data science toolkit. You can here found the download button, click the download button and download will be started. After this, one exe file will be downloaded in your folder, probably in your download folder, and after that you have to double click this and the installation process will be started. Now what to do? Anaconda website says it all. You from this you have to select next, and after that again you have to select next and tick the second option, and after next and finish. The installation was pretty simple, but you have to keep patience as it takes some time. Now after finishing this, you go to your search bar and you have to select from Anaconda Navigator. This is the Anaconda Navigator, and these are the tools you get from Anaconda for your Python and data science. This is command prompt and PowerShell. These are used for downloading new packages or some command line programming. This thing will be used when some new thing are new or something that those are not included in Anaconda. Only that time these to use. We shall use these when we use some machine learning tools. This is interactive Python. This is a very powerful tool. We shall discover it later. This is Python and Visual Code. These are to IDE, and these are the Jupyter Notebook that we are going to discover. For your first time, you will not have a launch icon. You have probably have a install. You have to install, nothing to do, just hit the install button and the installation will be start and will be finished. And after that you have to just click the launch button, and after clicking the launch button in your default browser, the Jupyter Notebook will be start. Now you have to select Python 3. I will discover Python 3 and Y3 and other thing in later video. For this video I discuss that I will restrict myself only with a demo, and I shall prove you that your Python is installed in your laptop or PC. Now to try or check the Python is working or not, write this code in the where the cursor is blinking, print 2 plus 2 and hit enter. Yay, result is coming, your job is done. This is for the Anaconda installation is complete and Jupyter Notebook is perfectly work. Now if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. And I put the link of Anaconda website in the description box of this video.